Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we are going to be making vegan dairy-free cupcakes. These are lemon cupcakes that are so easy to make. I made these for Eid. They were so nice, they were so yummy, and kids love them a lot. We are going to start by making our self-raising flour. Did you know that you can make self-raising flour at home? Yes, so start by mixing your flour, baking powder and salt. Mix that all up and set it aside. Then with our lemon cupcakes, we are using self-raising flour. So measure 1 3/4 cup of self-raising flour. Add the rest of the ingredients like I have listed them up there. Then add lemon zest to enhance that lemon flavor. Do not forget to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. As you mix your batter, do not forget to preheat your oven. Remember, we use the oven when it is already preheated. Do not forget to click on the bell to turn on your notifications to be notified whenever I post a new video. Then I added in water and then lemon juice from 1 lemon. Sorry, I thought the phone was recording, but unfortunately it wasn't at the moment. But yeah, I just added in lemon juice from 1 lemon. Then add in your oil and mix until you have a very nice cake batter that does not have lumps in it, and we are ready to go. Do not forget to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Whenever you click on new notifications, kindly go ahead and click on all notifications to be notified whenever I post a new video. Do not fill up the cupcakes up to the top because you want to leave room for expansion as they bake in the oven. So do not fill them up to the top. These were so easy to make. Kids love them a lot. I mean, they didn't rest until they are done. Once you are done, bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until they are brown on top like you can see, or until they are ready. You can use a toothpick to dip in and then see if they are ready and nice. Let them cool, and meanwhile you can work on your buttercream frosting. I used Prestige, icing sugar, a little bit of cornstarch, and then I started with the green food color. Add a pinch of green color at a time until you get that green color that you'd love. I wanted this lemon green. I mean, I didn't want that dark green, but if it is what you want, then you can just go ahead and add in green food color until you get your desired color of your buttercream frosting, and then add that in a piping bag and then add a nozzle of your choice and you are ready to go. You can design, you can decorate these cookies in whichever way that you would love to, and this is some of the ways I came up with the different designs. Kids love them a lot. I love them a lot as well. It was my first time to decorate cupcakes and it was so fun. It was a nice experience. I will definitely repeat this again next time. But don't forget, we only design the cupcakes or the cake once it is cool, once it has cooled completely, because you don't want to decorate a cake with your buttercream frosting and then it all ends up like melting and the butter melts because you know it did not cool well. So make sure that you only design your cakes, decorate your cakes with this buttercream frosting once it has completely cooled. Kindly help me grow by subscribing to my channel, like the videos and leave a comment below. This is how I managed to decorate these cupcakes. They looked so yummy to me. They were so nice and I loved the experience. So yeah, you can as well engage your kids in this holiday and you know have some nice time around with them. And yeah, thanks for watching. Kindly help me check out my other recipes, my other videos. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section. Follow me on my other social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Ugandan Kitchen. Until next time, thanks for watching.